I'm Britt. I'm from Portland, Oregon, and I'm at Salon. I find education to be so important because styles are always changing and there's so many different ways to do a haircut. And I feel like for me personally, I do it so that I can keep my clients happy and that I'm still feeling creative and inspired and feeling good about my work. It's mostly about a self-esteem, like making sure that I feel good about what I'm doing and that my clients are happy. Pony education to me is very freeing and personalized. So for me, I don't work very well in terms of like very rigid rules for haircuts. I like having more of a messy, unique with every person's hair. It's different, their texture is different, how it lays on their head is different. So not so much of like a cookie cutter way of cutting hair. And I just relate with that in general. I do love that they focus on the razor since that's my tool of choice. And I feel like it's just a really safe environment to learn. My aha moments, I feel like I had a lot. I loved when Karina taught me to have the person go, like put their head down and blow cold air to create volume. I have a lot of curly clients and I have anxiety about making them too frizzy to get volume at the crown. And so it was like a nice way to get that at the end as like a finishing. I feel like there were a lot of things that affirmed that I know what I'm doing, which was really nice since I'm self-taught. And yeah, just how to customize for like different people's hair growth patterns.